Hello and welcome to MetaBalance. My name is Emily, and if you're watching this, you've just signed up for your trial, and I'm going to show you the software and get you acquainted with it so you can start using it right away. I'm going to share my screen with you. So to open up your program, you're going to open up a web browser. That could be Safari or Brave or Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, but you're going to connect to the internet and type in our website, www.metabalance.me. And when you get there, you're going to use your email and password you created when you signed up for your free account. So enter your email and password, and then you can sign in. And usually you can get it to save your email and password so you can log in very easily. And then I have a family plan, so I'm going to select myself. And if you have a personal plan, you will not have those members to choose from. So here we are on the home screen. It'll say welcome and your name. MetaBalance has a lot to offer, and it's a very comprehensive program with lots of choices. But if you're going to start somewhere, we recommend starting with the Smart Session. So I'll go ahead and show you that. This is the pink icon right here that says Smart Session. Click on that button. And here you see it says the Smart Session feature powered by the AI system Serenity tailors user sessions according to the unique biorhythmic profiles, voice analysis, and user history. Serenity's algorithms analyze the data to determine and apply appropriate session options, creating a personalized session experience for each user. This Smart Session is a very wonderful, comprehensive session. It's easy, it's quick, and it's smart. It's a very intuitive program, and it selects from preset programs and algorithms to create the optimal customized experience for each user. So here you can type your issue. You can be as brief or as short as you'd like. It works both ways. So I'm going to work on optimize sleep and improve digestion. Now I want to show you the way you can input things. You can put, I don't feel good and I want to feel better. Okay, so you just want to describe your problem however you describe things. Just use your own verbiage. Don't worry about it being perfect or fancy. I know that there's people that actually use MetaBalance for imbalances. People use MetaBalance for emotional imbalances, some physical imbalances. Some people use it as a manifesting and abundance tool. So they use the algorithms in the MetaBalance program to create prosperity in their lives. So you can focus on anything that you want to. And so I would like to sleep more sound. Okay, so I'm going to go to next. Now, you can actually leave that chat box blank because in a smart session, you can also use your voice. And a button will probably pop up that asks if MetaBalance could use the microphone. So you want to allow that. And now here's the voice analyzer, which makes the smart session so powerful. The voice analyzer can pick up key stress markers in your voice that help improve your session. So click the microphone icon to activate the voice analyzer and verbally describe how you feel about the issues. So you don't have to type anything into the box. Let's go back. So if you want to, you could leave that blank and you could go to next because the smart session has the voice analyzer. So you just click it and start talking. I would like to optimize my digestion and improve my sleep and reduce stress. And when you're done talking, just hit next. And now for every session, we do have a power level and a time length that the program will run. And so you can leave this where it is, where it says normal, but if you click on that, a drop-down menu appears. You can select normal, strong, maximum, or extreme. For everything, it's recommended to use normal. If something is not working for you or you're not improving quick enough and you want to see more results, you can experiment with these power settings. And if something is acute, you can always hit extreme. So I'm going to leave mine on normal. And if you select the number of sessions, it's going to do a 1 hour session. But if you click here, you can choose up to 12 1 hour sessions. So that means the program will run for 12 hours. I say take advantage of that. When we first started, you only had a 1 hour runtime, and now we've gone all the way up to 12. Very convenient. So if you just pull yourself up once a day and hit 12, you're gonna notice some changes. You're gonna be optimizing your health. Now, you can do it twice a day. You could wake up in the morning and do it when you wake up, and you could also do it before bed. But for me, I'm really busy. I'm on the go. I know that at least if I get my 12-hour session in, I'll be feeling pretty good. So I'm going to leave it at 12 and hit continue. And then the last screen is a rating screen. You want to rate your issue. And so 0 means it's the best, and 10 means it's the most intense. So I'd say I'm at about a 7. Trying to find 7 here. There we go. So I'll just say 7. And then you want to submit. Hit the blue submit. And here you are. Your session is just about to start. Serenity, our AI, is analyzing my issue, and she is starting the session. And so once the session starts, you will see the waves appear across the screen. This is the program working in real time. So we have physical layers, emotional layers, environmental layers, energetic, and stress factors. And you can see down here, it's on 1 of 12 sessions, and it is counting down from 60 minutes. And so it will run 12 60-minute sessions. And if you look down here, on every session that we have the option to talk to Serenity, our built-in AI. And let me tell you, this is very powerful. Talking to Serenity during your session will amplify the session. It'll make it stronger and more powerful, but you can also add things that you might have forgotten. So let's say you have your program running and everything's great. And you go, you know what? I have this crink in my neck, or I forgot I'm having a little acid reflux, or, I forgot that I have this grief I want to work on, or, I'm feeling sad. Whatever the issue is, you can click on this green chat box and Serenity will appear. And she says, "Hi, I'm Serenity. I would like to help improve your session. I can make changes to your session in real time based on any additional information about your issues you would like to share with me. Some good examples of information to share could be as simple as, how long has the problem existed? Do you know how the problem started? How does the issue make you feel? Are there things that you notice that can make the issue worse or better? But really, anything you share with me would be most helpful in customizing your session experience." Hi, I want to optimize. Now you can put whatever you want. I'm just kind of being intuitive here and talking to her like I normally would. So I'm going to say, I want to optimize my session, and I forgot that yesterday I had a bad headache. I want to make sure it doesn't come back. Okay, and I'll hit enter and give her a minute, and she's just going to give me some suggestions here. So she is saying, 1, track your hydration levels and make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. And I can tell you, I forgot to drink enough water the last several days. So very good. I'm making a mental note now, increase my water intake. We're at about 4 p.m. right now, and I still have not drinking enough water today. So as soon as I'm done, I will go get my water. And it's a great reminder. So Serenity helps you self-reflect. She can come up with some good ideas for you, but the fact that I typed it in here, now this is in the session. So she adjusts the waves every time that you interact with her, which is really, really cool. So let's see. Number 2, monitor your sleep patterns and aim for consistent quality sleep each night. 3, identify any potential triggers for your headaches, such as food, stress, or screen time. Incorporate regular breaks during work or screen time to reduce eye strain. 5, consider practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to alleviate tension. 6, maintain a balanced diet with regular meals to stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 7, engage in light physical activity to improve blood circulation and reduce stress. So that is Serenity. You can talk to her about anything. And when you're done, you would just press this little purple arrow and close it out. And as you can see, the little green chat box is right here, and you can talk to her anytime. And you can close out of that by hitting the purple arrow. And my session is in progress. And so that is how to run a smart session, which when you're just starting out, the main thing you want to do is run the program consistently. Don't worry about all the bells and whistles. Don't worry about how you don't know what program to choose, or you're not sure what to choose or what to run. Just run it, because if you're in the program every day and you select the 12 hours, you're going to be making progress. And MetaBalance is not meant to be a quick miracle fix. It's supposed to be an empowerment tool to help you optimize your health over time. And you can get some really good results, but only if you're consistent. You know, it's like anything, you have to be consistent. We don't go to the gym once a week, twice a week, or and then expect to lose, 10 or 15 pounds in a month. And conversely, you can't go to the gym for 5 days in a row and then quit and say, well, that didn't work. You have to go to the gym over a long period of time and tone your muscles and build up stamina and flush those toxins out of your body if you're looking to lose weight. And then going to the gym is not all you would do. You would also change your diet. You would also maybe look at how much water you're drinking, or maybe do some other exercises and cardio. You would be looking at an overall picture. And with MetaBalance, it's a wonderful tool to incorporate into your life. So MetaBalance is a self-help tool to help you feel better. So it's not going to fix everything that ails you, but it can help you with a lot of things. There is nothing like this on the market out there. This is the first of its kind. I know there's a lot of other stress reduction apps, but there is nothing quite like this technology. So I implore you to use your smart session, get started with a smart session, and try that every day. Try that every day, smart session. And as you run the smart session, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, and you want to explore other programs, I'm going to be releasing some other videos to walk you through this amazing software and how to use it and incorporate it into your daily routine.